Okay, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have brought another website for you guys. It's called bigbtc.win. So you can see in the video I have given the interface of bigbtc. In this website you don't need to keep your username or anything, a passport or else. The users need to bring your faucet pay Bitcoin address, copy it and just put here and just enter. Your account will be automatically made. So right now I have 32 satoshi here in my account, so I am an old user. So let's start with our manual faucet, and we just have to solve a captcha here and click here to claim. Yes, and 2 satoshi has been already added to my account. So and other here are some short links, you need to visit them to get daily bonus. So claim your bonus, click on, after clicking the claim your bonus you will get some this type of interface. And for sorting you just need to solve a captcha here. Clicking on captcha, after clicking, click here to continue. After clicking that button you will see this type of interface. And click on get link button. After clicking the get link button you will get your bonus. So I have received my 2 satoshi bonus again. So in every 1200 seconds that short link will appear. So for manual faucet we still have time of 5 minutes, so we are heading towards solving another short link. You can see properly how to solve captcha and learn how you can get bonus on this website. Okay, after clicking on get link button you will again get this. Okay, I have already got the bonus but it doesn't show. I have right now I have 39 satoshi and our faucet has 5-minute faucet countdown is about 26, 25, 24. So there are some seconds left for manual faucet, so we will be first let's get our faucet now. 3210. So by this method you can every 5 minutes you will get about 2 satoshi as a reward of manual faucet. Right now I have 41 satoshi. Now I am going for the last short link visit today. Claim your bonus. You can watch it properly so that you can also solve it. Please watch till the end. I am going to show you the payment proof of this website also in this video, so please watch till the end. Back to the faucet. Now right now I have 44 satoshi and the minimum payout of this website is 50 satoshi, so we will wait for some time. I'll show you how you can withdraw. Right now I have 44 and it says minimum faucet pay withdraw amount is 50 satoshi. So for the withdraw you just need a faucet pay account. You must have a faucet pay account, and to create an account in this website also you will need a Bitcoin faucet address of faucet pay account. So please make sure you have a faucet pay account. So before withdrawing, this is the page of for withdraw, and right now I don't have the minimum amount, so I cannot make any withdraw. So it has a referral system also. You will get 20% of your referral commission. and there are some seconds left for this faucet. Set, okay. Okay, now 1 minute is left for faucet. Okay, now some seconds are left for faucet. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So every 5 minutes we will get 2 Satoshi here. So in this video I have already claimed 3 times. So 6 Satoshi will made by me this video. So for making a withdraw minimum you will have to claim 25 times faucet per day. Okay, now I have already made 46 Satoshi and we'll again wait for some time. Okay, after waiting for a long time we are going to claim the faucet. This video I have already made 4 times, so make sure. Okay, right now I have 48 Satoshi and we will still wait. After waiting 5 minutes. Okay guys, 48 Satoshi have already been made by me. So remaining 2 Satoshi that I'll make and show you how it works for withdraw. I'll show you the payment proof of this website also. So please watch till the end. I have given some link in the description, you can join. Otherwise you can see in the video, its website name is bigbtc.win. Join it and start earning Bitcoin. So 20 seconds are left for making another faucet claim, which comes every 5 minutes. I have skipped the waiting time. So this is our last claim for this video, and click on the captcha. Okay, click here to claim. Okay, right now I have 50 Satoshi in my balance, so again I am going to withdraw that amount. So I'm going for account section. After clicking on account section, this type of interface will open and it says withdraw to faucet pay, and click on that. Okay, I have to solve a captcha and your Bitcoin address is already linked when you are first time going to open account on this website. So guys, I have already made 50 Satoshi withdrawal in my faucet pay account. So right now I have 0 Satoshi in my balance and pending payments are shown below here down. So I have waited 12 hours and my 50 Satoshi has already been sent in my faucet pay wallet. So you can see here bigbtc win, received from bigbtc win, amount 50 satoshi, normal payment. Today is 11th May 2022. So this much guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video, and please comment below how you like my videos and share with your friends. Thank you.